Good morning, this is Ken. Today I'd like to take a look at the state of the global EV market based on data from October 2024. In particular, we'll focus on the competition between Tesla and BYD, as well as the record-breaking performance of the plug-in vehicle market in October. Looking at recent data, BYD has achieved phenomenal growth, significantly outpacing Tesla in sales volume. However, Tesla continues to dominate the market, especially with the Model Y, and the competition is becoming increasingly intense. Moreover, we see that the global sales of plug-in vehicles are surging, with the Chinese market standing out as particularly strong. How should Tesla position itself in this fierce competition? And as Tesla investors, what should we focus on? Today, we'll dive into these questions in detail. Let's begin by reviewing the global EV market rankings. Now let's take a look at the global EV sales rankings. According to the latest data, the top spot for October 2024 goes to BYD, which registered an impressive 482,000 units, breaking previous records. This represents an overwhelming increase compared to the same month last year. BYD is strengthening its presence not only in China but also in overseas markets. On the other hand, Tesla sold approximately 180,000 units, marking a 6% year-on-year growth. While BYD has outpaced Tesla in sales volume, Tesla's Model Y remains the world's best-selling vehicle. It's truly remarkable how the Model Y continues to be favored globally. The third place goes to China's Wuling. Their mini EVs and the new hatchback model Bingo have been major hits, pushing them past BMW to secure third place. With affordable and compact models, Wuling enjoys overwhelming popularity, especially in the Chinese market. One notable point is the strong presence of Chinese manufacturers overall. Many of the top 20 ranked vehicles are from Chinese brands. In addition to BYD and Wuling, emerging players like Zeekr, XPeng, and Changan are rapidly gaining ground. Next, let's consider Tesla's position in this landscape. While Tesla maintains the number one spot with its flagship Model Y, it lacks the diverse lineup seen in competitors like BYD. This could pose a challenge moving forward. For example, BYD offers a wide range of vehicles, from premium models to cost-effective mass-market options. This flexibility contributes to their lead in sales volume. Tesla might bridge this gap by introducing more affordable models, such as a potential Model 2. However, it remains to be seen whether Tesla will significantly expand its lineup or continue with its current focused strategy. This will be interesting to watch. Let's now shift our focus to the global plug-in vehicle market and examine how the rapid growth in China is driving the overall EV market. Let's check the overall trends in the plug-in vehicle market globally. In October 2024, plug-in vehicles, PEVs, comprising plug-in hybrid vehicles, PHEVs, and battery electric vehicles, BEVs, registered a total of 1.74 million units, setting a new all-time high. This represents a 36% year-on-year increase, showcasing extraordinary growth. BEVs accounted for over 1 million units, underscoring their central role in the market. Meanwhile, PHEVs saw a significant 65% increase in registrations, marking the fifth consecutive month of record-breaking growth. In particular, the European market shows strong demand for PHEVs. Now let's look at regional trends. The standout is, of course, the Chinese market, where plug-in vehicle registrations rose by 67% in October alone. Domestic manufacturers like BYD and Wuling are leading the market, and their extensive lineups are heavily influencing other countries. While North America and Europe are also growing, their pace lags behind China's, with a 10% increase in North America and 2% in Europe. However, it's worth noting that Chinese manufacturers are making significant inroads into these markets as well. Let's briefly touch on the Japanese market. Unfortunately, Japan's plug-in vehicle market is facing tough conditions compared to other countries. In October, BEV sales totaled 4,325 units and PHEVs 3,004 units, representing year-on-year decreases of 35% and 28% respectively. The combined total for plug-in vehicles is around 7,300 units, contrasting sharply with the global growth trend. Domestic manufacturers like Nissan, despite offering models like the Sakura and Leaf, saw sales drop by over 50% year-on-year. Toyota and Honda's slower entry into the BEV space also contributes to the stagnant domestic market. For Japanese manufacturers to remain competitive globally, more aggressive EV development is essential. Next, turning to model rankings, Tesla's Model Y continues to dominate globally. With global trends, there's a significant disparity between Japan and other countries in terms of EV enthusiasm. Returning to our discussion, we've reviewed the global EV market and plug-in vehicle trends. Now, let's discuss the future outlook for Tesla and its competitors based on this data. Currently, Tesla's Model Y enjoys overwhelming support in the global EV market, a trend that has persisted since last year. However, it's unlikely this dominance will last forever. Expectations are high for new Model Y variants and other innovations. Challenges include Model 3's lackluster sales and the absence of diverse model offerings like BYD's. However, Tesla might shift its focus to robotaxis, moving away from traditional vehicle sales. Tesla's strategy in the auto business will be a key point moving forward. Tesla's introduction of a new model was highlighted during the Q3 earnings report. A more affordable model could become a game changer, potentially outperforming the Model Y in impact. Pricing strategy will be critical, particularly in the lower price segment where BYD and Chinese manufacturers are expanding their market share. Tesla will need to enhance its competitiveness through cost reductions at gigafactories to maintain profitability even with low-priced models. On the other hand, Chinese manufacturers like BYD and Wuling have a broad lineup from affordable to premium models, enabling them to reach various consumer segments. Their proactive expansion into overseas markets like Europe and Southeast Asia is also a major strength. For example, BYD has launched the Dolphin hatchback and Atto 3 SUV in Europe, both of which have been well received. As Tesla investors, monitoring these developments is crucial. A potential expansion of Chinese manufacturers into the North American market could intensify competition significantly. Let's also touch on Japanese manufacturers. While Nissan offers models like the Leaf and Sakura, their sales are underwhelming. Toyota and Honda appear to be lagging in EV development compared to competitors. However, Japanese manufacturers have strong brand power and expertise from hybrid technology. Leveraging these strengths will be key to their EV market strategy. As investors, it's important to assess how new EV models or international strategies might affect stock prices and market share. Now, based on today's discussion, let's summarize the key points Tesla investors should focus on for the future. 1. Tesla's pricing strategy and new model development. Tesla's growth beyond the Model Y will depend on its ability to expand into new markets, particularly with affordable models. 2. Overseas expansion of Chinese manufacturers. How successful BYD and Wuling will be in North America and Europe, and how that impacts Tesla. 3. The actions of Japanese manufacturers, whether they fully commit to EVs and how this influences the market. Observing these points will make the EV market even more intriguing to follow. In summary, we've discussed Tesla, its competitors, and key points of interest for investors. Tesla remains dominant with the Model Y, but faces challenges with declining Model 3 sales and a lack of diverse offerings compared to BYD. Launching an affordable new model could address these issues. Tesla's pricing strategy and vehicle lineup expansion will also be critical. Chinese manufacturers excel with their wide-ranging lineups and global strategies, making them strong competitors. For Tesla investors, closely watching these trends and strategies will be vital. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in Tesla, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post daily updates covering everything about Tesla, helping you stay informed in just 10 minutes a day. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Let's enjoy a Tesla-powered lifestyle together.